Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now we can apply the formula in here. So 25, that is about 5 square. So this one we can change by this one. Next, about 5x, I will put into 10x minus 5x. Because negative 5x with 10x, we have positive 5x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 10. Next, we have s minus 5. We can do another factorization. Next, s minus 5 divided by s minus 5. We simplify. And now I can put number 5 colon here and here. So we have 15 over 10. So we have 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.